Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Flow Zone, where learning English is simple and fun.
Hey, everyone. Today is a really special day.
Really? How is today special for our listeners?
Because today we are talking about summer vacations.
Wow, that's a nice topic. It's going to be fun and exciting today.
It is. So before we start, please subscribe to English Flow Zone and hit that bell icon.
So tell me, what's the first thing that comes to your mind when you hear summer vacations?
Honestly, beaches and no homework.
Exactly. So basically, summer vacation means a long break from school or work.
Right. It's the time when we rest, travel, and just enjoy without any stress.
Yes, no classes, no alarms, just fun and freedom.
I love that feeling already.
Okay, let's talk about the beach first. My favorite place.
Aw, yes. Beach trips are just so much fun.
So, first, how do we usually get there?
Well, some people drive, some take a bus. It depends on the distance.
Right. And before leaving, we pack our bags.
Oh, yes. Don't forget the sunscreen. That's so important.
True. Nobody wants sunburn.
We also take swimsuits, a towel, and sunglasses.
And a hat, too, for extra protection.
Don't forget snacks and lots of water. Oh, and a speaker for some music. Yes, beach without music just feels incomplete.
Exactly. So once we reach there, what do we do first?
First, we just run straight into the water.
That excitement is unmatched.
Then we swim, build sandcastles, play beach volleyball. Oh, I love building sandcastles. It's like being a kid again. Same. And later, we just lie down, relax, and enjoy the sun.
And take 100 photos, obviously.
Of course. How else will people know we went to the beach?
True. Beach day really is the best kind of day. Okay, now let's talk about the mountains.
Ah, yes. My favorite kind of trip.
So, what do people actually do there?
Mostly hiking, walking up those long trails.
Is it tiring?
A little, but it's so worth it.
Why? What do you see on the way?
Tall pine trees, little streams, sometimes even a waterfall.
Oh, I love waterfalls.
Me too. And the views from the top are just unreal.
Like what exactly?
You can see the whole valley, clouds floating right below you.
Wait, clouds below us?
Yes, that's how high up you actually go.
That sounds magical, honestly.
It really is. And the air feels so fresh and cool.
I can imagine. So peaceful.
Exactly. And at night, you can see so many stars.
No city lights to ruin the view.
Right. Just pure sky.
Okay, now tell me, how do people usually get there?
Mostly by car or a jeep if the roads are rough.
The roads are tricky, right?
Yes, very winding. But that's part of the adventure.
Okay, now let's talk about traveling to another country.
Oh, yes. Like a proper international trip.
Exactly. Let's say we go to Turkey.
Oh, I love that. Istanbul looks so beautiful.
Right. So first, what do we do before leaving?
We check our passport and visa if it's needed.
Oh, yes, that's so important.
And we start packing our bags days before. What do you usually pack? Clothes, a charger, and some travel documents.
Don't forget your ID and tickets.
Never. That's the first thing I check.
Okay, so then how do we actually get there?
We book a flight and head to the airport a few hours early.
Why early?
For check-in, security, and boarding, it takes time.
Right. and then finally we take off.
That feeling when the plane takes off is just amazing.
Yes, so exciting.
And after landing in Istanbul, we go straight to explore.
What do we see first?
Old mosques, busy markets, and that beautiful Bosphorus view.
Sounds incredible. And what about the food?
Oh, the food is amazing. Kebabs, baklava, Turkish tea everywhere.
I've heard their tea culture is huge.
Yes, people just sit, talk, and enjoy tea for hours.
That sounds so relaxing, honestly.
It really is a whole new experience.
Okay, let's talk about our own summer vacations now.
Oh, I have a really nice memory, actually.
Tell me, where did you go?
Last summer, I went to Murray with my family.
Oh, that sounds lovely. How was it?
It was amazing. The weather was so cool and misty.
How long did you stay there?
We stayed for almost 5 days in a small wooden guest house.
Oh, a guest house. That sounds cozy.
It really was. You could see the pine trees right from the window.
What did you do there?
We went hiking, ate corn on the roadside, and just walked around the mall road.
That sounds so relaxing.
It really was. And one night it even rained.
Oh, I love rain in the mountains.
Me too. We just sat by the window with hot tea.
That sounds like the perfect evening, honestly.
It really was. My little sister was so excited. She had never seen fog before.
Oh, that's so sweet.
Yeah, she kept saying it looks like clouds fell down from the sky.
Kids say the cutest things.
They really do. What about you? Any special memory?
Yes, actually. A few years ago, I went to Karachi, to the beach.
Oh, nice. How was your experience?
It was so much fun. We went early morning before the sun got too hot.
Smart move.
Yes, we swam, played volleyball, and just relaxed the whole day.
Sounds like a perfect beach day.
It really was. And in the evening, we had fresh seafood right by the beach.
Oh, that sounds delicious.
It was incredible, honestly. One of my favorite trips ever.
Did you take a lot of pictures?
So many. My phone gallery was completely full by the end of the trip.
That's exactly what happens on vacation.
True. And honestly, just watching the sunset over the water was the best part.
Oh, that sounds so peaceful.
It was. Sometimes the simple moments become the biggest memories.
These memories are so precious, right?
Yes, summer vacations really do give us the best moments.
Do you think you'll go back to Karachi again?
I really hope so. Maybe next summer.
And I definitely want to go back to Murray.
Maybe we should plan a trip together sometime.
That would be so much fun, actually.
Okay, now it's your turn.
Yes, tell us in the comments.
Where did you go for your summer vacation?
Or maybe you just stayed home and relaxed.
Either way, we would love to know.
Share your favorite summer memory with us below.
All right, everyone, that's it for today's episode.
We hope you enjoyed learning with us. If you did, don't forget to like this video.
And subscribe to English Flow Zone for more fun English lessons. See you all in the next episode.
Take care and goodbye for now.